Philly fan 2, and I'm going to do a quick review on the LEGO X-Wing. Great set. Comes with 6 minifigures. Chewbacca. Han Solo. Luke Skywalker, pilot. Princess Leia. R2-D2. And Wedge and Newey's, whatever his name is. Okay, here's the box. Ages 8 to 12. 437 pieces. Exclusive. 6 hard to find minifigures and all that stuff. Just some pictures of the X-Wing. Other sets. Yeah. Okay, now onto the ship itself. First, I want to show you this thing right here. It can go into attack position, or it can just go normal. The wings go down when you do this. And they go up into attack position if it goes the other way. Has, I don't know if you can see that, but it has landing gears. And you put Luke Skywalker's lightsaber right in here under the cockpit. Cockpit just goes up, normal, same stuff. It has 4 engines, these orange things. They don't really do anything, they're just for show. They're cool. Hold on. Okay. This doesn't really do anything. That's pretty much it. I really like this set. Nothing really else to say, so bye.